Good morning, students. English spellings. Today we will do 10 words from column 3 and 10 words from column 4. From suggested to perch. So here are the words. 10 words from column 3 and 10 words from column 4. The first word is suggested. Suggested means to say what you think somebody should do. Like these books are suggested for the students of standard 3. These 5 story books are suggested for the students of standard 3. And dear students, keep reading your school books and some story books to improve your English. Opposites. Second word is opposites. OPPOSITES. So the word is thoughtful. Thoughtful means someone who thinks about others and shares. And the opposite of thoughtful is selfish, who doesn't think about others. Unpleasant. That means not good, you don't like it. Because today the weather is unpleasant. And the little girls, they cannot go out to play. So they are saying, rain, rain, go away. Unpleasant, UNPLEASANT. Sprayed, SPRAYED. Spray means to throw water in small drops, like we sprayed the hand sanitizer. Abdomen, ABDOMEN, part of a body. You can see the abdomen of the grasshopper. Abdomen, ABDOMEN. Shuffle, SHUFFLE, to walk slowly without lifting the feet. And in the story, the safe again, when the children went to see the wind hovers, they shuffle. That means to walk very slowly. Groomed, GROOMED. That means to brush and clean. So here the dog is being groomed. Tossed, moved her head back proudly. You can see that golden bird, when the monkey asked her, the bird tossed her head and said, "I'm the golden bird." Slithered. You know, slithered, the snakes, their movement is called to slither, moving quickly and smoothly by twisting its body. You see, it is twisting its body. Chameleon. Chameleon is a type of garden lizard that can change its color. Next word is muttered, MUTTERED, and the other word is darted, DARTED. And the meaning of muttered is to speak in a low voice, and darted, to move away quickly. Now what happened in the story is that the chameleon comes to help the golden bird. He tries to teach her something good about, but she is very proud. You know, golden bird was very proud. So the chameleon says, "Well, I try to help you," muttered the chameleon and darted away. And he moved away from there. You have read the story, no? The golden bird. So the chameleon says these sentence, "Well, I tried to help you." Whispered. Now what happens first? The chameleon, when chameleon tries to help her, the golden bird, she is very proud. But what happens when the eagle comes? Then she says, "Help now, help me." So the chameleon comes and says, whispers in her ears, "Don't move. whispered the chameleon, and pushed her into the center of a large yellow flower. You can see the flower is also yellow, the bird is also yellow, golden like, and the chameleon has also changed its color and has become yellow. Straight, Straight. And you know, the eagle could not see because the flower was yellow and the bird was yellow and the chameleon was hiding the golden bird, and so the eagle could not see, and the eagle flew straight past her. So straight, Straight. Traveler, person who travels. Like when you go to some other place, then you also become a traveler. So you have to go with your bag and everything necessary for you. Patience. The meaning of patience is the ability of staying calm, not getting angry when you are waiting for something. Even it is taking a lot of time, but you have to be patient. And this patience is the quality. Anything easy will always be temporary, but patience for the things you want to last forever. But you should have patience. We should have patience, and we should not get angry when we have to wait for something. Excitement, Excitement. So the little girl is very full of excitement, and she's saying, I am so excited for all the good things to come. They have not come, but I know it will happen, so I'm excited from now only. Regular means that happens again and again, everyday routine, like when you used to go to school, you had regular studies every time, and now you should continue that regular studies. Even you're having online classes, continue with your regular studies and regular study habits. Regular. Serious, Serious. You are serious when you are not joking and when it is not funny. Like sometimes you have to be serious. Like when your exam comes, you have to be serious. You don't have to be playing or enjoying every time. You have to be serious and enjoy your studies. Perch, Perch, to rest on something, a place where a bird sits. So you can see that piece of wood is a perch. So dear students, here these were the 20 words, and write the words in your English spelling vocabulary copy and learn the spellings. God bless you. Thank you and have a nice day.